I'm getting my video out. Because the cat's been on you for like, what, 5 minutes already?
No.
It's been on a pretty long time. Oh. Hi. What should we name it? I don't know.
Squishy it is.
Okay. Squishy. Because this looks like Squishy before Squishy died after like 1 or 2 days. Looks like Squishy, like an older Squishy. So Squishy didn't die.
Probably. Oh.
This cat loves you. Ooh.
Hey, no kneading there.
Wait, it's kneading your hair?
Yeah.
Oh. It loves you.
What's it doing?
It's nuzzling your head.
Why?
I don't know.
Does my hair smell good or something?
I guess. Did you use your catnip shampoo again? You were just holding this cat and then it climbed behind you.
Maybe he smells sully.
I don't know.
What's it doing now?
It's like meowing. Oh. It's like purring. Okay. This is adorable. I wonder how long it's gonna stay. Hey, stand up. I wonder if she'll stay up there. She's like, I'm in a tree, help!
Hey. Hey there.
She's nuzzling you.
Hey there.
You're like a pirate, except for the parrot, it's a kitty.
Argument. Come on.
Oh my god. This is what happens when we have an outdoor cat that's human friendly.
Go into my other arm.
What are you doing, Squishy?
What's it doing?
I don't know, like sniffing your hood or something. Oh my god. Well, this video has already been almost 4 minutes long. Oh my god. This cat fucking loves you.
Hey, don't use that language. Mom might see that.
Fine. This cat hella loves you. Is that better?
Okay. I guess. Oop. See. Happen if I sit down.
Okay. I'm keeping it on the cat because who cares about you, Matt?
Oh. You okay, buddy?
She's still up there. Bless you. I think that was a sneeze.
Yeah,
It sounded
that was
like
a kitty sneeze.
Yeah.
Go into my other arm. Go into my arm. Again.
I think this cat knows I'm recording and wants to be famous. I think I'm going to put this on YouTube and Facebook and
Everywhere.
maybe even Twitter if I can. I'm going to Tumblr. I'm going to put it all my social medias.
Google Plus.
You can do that. It loves you. And it's already been this video is 5 minutes and
The cat's
almost
still
20
there.
seconds. It's been on your shoulder for over 5 minutes. Considering it's already been on before that.
Hey, hey, no rough play.
Oh my god.
What are you doing now?
It's doing your head.
Hey there.
Hey there. Hey. Smile for the camera,
My
Squishy.
ear.
Is she eating your ear?
No, her claw dug into my ear.
I know. I wish she was eating your ear. I wish she'd eat you.
Man,
Then I won't. I wish she'd eat you. Then I won't have to deal with your bullshit.
What did I say about language, Alina?
Your point is that was my mistake because I commented on one of your things.
Oh.
Your mom never sees anything I post.
Oh, whatever. No. No, not my neck. Not my carotid artery.
She's a predator.
Ow!
Did she bite you?
Like nibbled.
Oh.
She didn't draw blood, she just nibbled.
Oh.
You little nibbler, you.
Okay. I think this video is long enough because it's 7 minutes right now, so say bye-bye, Squishy.
Hey, hey.
Bye-bye, Squishy. Who cares about you? Bye-bye, Squishy.